Hey there, everyone. So last week we noticed on your checkpoint that a lot of us struggled with writing out some expressions and with just understanding the concept of really what's being asked here. So we think this could be a quick fix if we just spend a little time here going over this. So for example, on these you're supposed to write an expression to represent each of the following strategies. Now, remember, an expression does not have to have what the equation equals at the end. It's just an expression showing the thinking process that was happening behind it. So when we are thinking about this first one, one way to solve 8 times 6 is to use double, double, double. I know you guys learned this in 4th grade because back when I taught 4th grade, we always had such a laugh about this strategy. It was always so funny to us, the double, double, double. So when we think about the double, 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 it is because 8 can be doubled and then doubled again and then doubled again. Or essentially, 2 is a double. 2 times 2 is 4. There's your double, double. 4 times 2 is 8. Double, 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 double. So that's what we're meaning when we say that. So really, what I'm thinking here is instead of 8, I'm going to just use my double, 2 times 6. And then I'm going to double that. And then I'm going to double it again, a double, double, double. So that eventually I end up with 2 times 6 is 12, times 2 is 24, times 2 again is 48, and that will be the right answer to 8 times 6. So 8s, just know that 8s we can break down into a double, double, double. And we can put another parentheses there just to show that do 2 times 6, then do times 2, then do times 2 again for your double, double, double. Double, double, double is your 8s. All right, the next one. One way to solve 5 times 16 is to find 10 times 16 and then divide by 2. So what they're saying here is 5 times 16 is equal to saying 10 times 16. Always use your parentheses to show we're grouping that part together. And then taking that and dividing it by 2. Or really, we're showing that strategy that 5 is half of 10. And since 10's facts are so fast, it can help you get to those 5's facts a lot faster. So instead of saying 5 times 16, I can say 10 times 16, and then slice that in half to find my 5 times 16. The next one way to solve 9 times 36 is to find 10 times 36 and then subtract a group of 36. So what I'm saying here is 9 times 6, not 16, 9 times 36? Yes. 9 times 36 is the same as saying 10 times 36 minus 1 times 36, or just minus 36. It's the same thing, a group of 36, because 9 is 1 less than 10. So we can round up to 10, subtract a group off, and get to our answer super fast rather than finding 9 times 36. 10 times 36 is 360, and then I can just subtract 36 from that to get to my answer faster. Again, that's your double, double, double strategy. Your 5 is half of 10, and your 9 is 10 minus a group, since it's 1 less than 10. Now, for the next ones, you're writing an expression for the calculation. So for example, multiply 3 by 6 and then divide by 9. Anytime I'm doing this, we first put it in parentheses to show that I'm doing that first part first. I'm first multiplying 3 times 6 together and then dividing that by 9. We don't need an answer. These are expressions. We just need to write out the equation. For the next one, it says subtract 10 from 30 and then multiply by 20. The and then tells me it's separate from. So I'm going to subtract 10 from 30. Remember, we have to subtract 10 from 30 first in order to then multiply something. So I'm going to start with, hold on a second, my dog's being crazy. Coda, stop. First, I'm going to start with 30 minus 10. That's subtracting 10 from 30. Don't make this silly mistake. Oh, that's a negative number. Subtract 10 from 30, then multiply by 20. We use those parentheses to show I'm going to do this, then this. The next one, add 13 and 17 and 21, then multiply that by 25. The sum, that means the answer to an addition. So we're going to add 13 plus 17 plus 21, and then multiply by 25. I hope you're not spending all your time answering that because we don't have to. It's an expression. It's not asking us to answer it. We're just writing out the thinking with those parentheses. The next one, 36, divide 36 by 4, then add 45. Again, we have to start with that group together. First, we're going to take 36 and divide it by 4. Use my pen for that. And then we're going to add 45. So once again, hopefully you're seeing that a parentheses just helps us to group our thinking together. It says, do these together, then do the rest that's outside of the parentheses. So as you're thinking through expressions, the parentheses do matter. They organize your thinking in the same way that paragraphs organize our thinking in writing. Parentheses organize our thinking in math and say, do this part together, then do this next part. Hopefully that's helping it make a little more sense for you.